back to my farm life. Say hi, Dad. Anyway. Farming life can be tough. But when you're tough like me, you'll pull through. Anyway, like my boots. Get on in there, big guy. Wait. Okay. Back in business.
Back in business. I gotta get these out here now. These are a little harder to do.
Rule number 2 of being a farmer's daughter. Never distract your dad while he's busy. My dad gave me permission to do this. Right, Dad?
Yep.
So I have permission. So I'm not getting in trouble here. Girl got stabbed. Rule number 3 of being a farmer's daughter. This is the most important rule. Have fun. Isn't that right?
That's right.
There's so much hay. Look at those fields. So pretty. There's our truck over there. Turning easy. Ew. Hold on tight, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, 3-part series.